Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 Minutes YouTube channel. In this lesson, we will be exploring three sets of the most commonly confused Chinese terms. We will look at their meanings, their pronunciations, and how to distinguish them from their usages. So let's get started. The first set of confused Chinese term we are looking at is 上课 and 上学. 上课 in English means to attend class or to go to class. The Chinese word 上 is to go up or to attend, and 课 is class or lesson. 上学, on the other hand, can be translated as go to school or attend school. 上学 generally refers to the action of going to school, whereas 上课 is where the teacher gives a lesson in school and students learning a particular subject from a teacher. Sentence examples of 上学 and 上课. 你今天怎么没去上课? Or you can also say 你今天怎么没去上学?你今天怎么没去上课 or 上学? Ni can refer to both teachers and students, so you can change 上课 to 上学。今天学生们在郊外上课。今天学生们在郊外上课。Today, the students are attending classes in the suburbs. For this sentence, you cannot change 上课 to 上学, as this sentence refers to students attending class in the suburbs and not the action of going to school. The second set of Chinese term we are looking at is 功夫. The first 功夫, written as 工作的工, has the following two meanings. Firstly, it refers to the amount of time used to complete a task. Sentence example: 他花了2年功夫学习汉语。他花了2年功夫学习汉语。He spent 2 years learning Chinese. Number 2 refers to leisure or free time. Sentence example: 我今天没工夫和你闲聊。我今天没工夫和你闲聊。I don't have free time to chat with you today. The second 功夫, written as 功课的功, means a form of martial art, time or effort spent on completing a task or relating to a person's ability or accomplishments. Sentence examples: 他从小就到少林寺学功夫。他从小就到少林寺学功夫。He learned martial art at the Shaolin Temple since he was a child. Number 2, time and effort spent or accomplishment. 如果你肯下一番功夫学习，你一定能做得比他更好。如果你肯下一番功夫学习，你一定能做得比他更好。If you are willing to work hard, you will surely be able to do better than him. The third set of Chinese terms we are looking at are 有意思 and 有趣. 有趣 is a Chinese term that means interesting or something that catches people's curiosity. The term can be used to describe a book, a movie, a conversation, an experience, or a person's personality. It is a written language. Sentence examples. 昨天我看了一部很有趣的电影。昨天我看了一部很有趣的电影。I watched an interesting movie yesterday. 老王给孩子们讲了一个有趣的故事。老王给孩子们讲了一个有趣的故事。Mr. Wang told an interesting story to the children. The negative form of 有趣 is 没意思。你说的话很没意思。你说的话很没意思。What you say is very boring. 这本书真没意思。这本书真没意思。This book is really very boring. 有意思 is a spoken language. This Chinese term basically have the following three meanings. Firstly, it means interesting or funny. When used in this way, 有意思 and 有趣 can be used interchangeably. Using the previous sentence examples, 昨天我看了一部很有趣的电影. You can change 有趣 to 有意思. The sentence will be 昨天我看了一部很有意思的电影. The second example, 老王给孩子们讲了一个有趣的故事. You can change 有趣 to 有意思. The sentence will be 老王给孩子们讲了一个有意思的故事. Secondly, 有意思 has the meaning of taking an interest in another person. 有趣 does not have this meaning. For example, Peter 对玛丽有意思。彼得对玛丽有意思。Peter is interested in Mary. 他看上了玛丽，对她挺有意思的。他看上了玛丽，对她挺有意思的。He took a fancy to Mary and is rather interested in her. Thirdly, has the meaning of meaningful or significant. 小明的父母希望他写些有意思的作品。小明的父母希望他写些有意思的作品。小明's parents want him to write more meaningful things. 不要把宝贵的时间花在没有意思的东西上。不要把宝贵的时间花在没有意思的东西上。Don't waste your precious time on insignificant things. If you are interested to know more about the usage of the Chinese term 意思, you can check out our video on 6 different meanings of 意思.